Alright, so this is how to do a oil change on a 2013 Toyota Corolla. So we got our oil right here, it's the OW20. And we got our wrench. So all you gotta do is get you an oil pan. It helps a lot, so it doesn't leak everywhere. Get it at Walmart, just something to catch the oil pretty much, because the oil's gonna be falling out. Okay, so once you got your oil pan, the bolt you're looking for is right here. Just that bolt right there. And it's gonna be a 13 millimeter socket for that one. So once you unscrew it, the oil's just gonna start pouring out. It's already starting to leak out a little bit. It's not that far under the car, the actual oil socket. Just gonna unscrew it by hand, but it's gonna start coming out fast. Dang it. Oh yeah, there it's coming out, you see. I got oil on my hand. And the bolt is in there. But I'll get it after it's done coming out. So just let that run for a few minutes. And then after that we're gonna change the oil filter. And that's gonna be easy enough. Alright, so once you got your oil cleared out of there, then you want to take out the oil filter, which is the thing that filters the oil, of course. Okay, so once you drain all the oil, then you want to take out the oil filter, and you got to unplug this, unscrew this cap right here. There's a little metal part that you got to push and while you unscrew so that it initially gets unscrewed. And we're going to use the oil filter tool from Walmart to unscrew it. Alright, so once you get your oil filter off, go ahead and open up your new one to replace the Fram. Just looked it up on Google what the number is, or at Walmart they got a little booklet in the oil section. Tells you what number you need for your car. And then you got this rubber band which you're going to place on here. You see the old one right here? Take this one off and put the new one on, and take out this oil filter and put the new one on. Easy peasy. Put this one on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rubber band as well. Alright, so once you get your oil filter in here and your rubber band in there, and you go ahead and plug it back in right where you got it from. And if you have trouble taking off the oil filter, use a really long crowbar, or not crowbar, but a really long wrench. The longer the bar, the more leverage it'll give you. if you use like a small wrench, it's gonna be pretty impossible if it's really tight on there. And if you lift up the car on the right side, it's better because it gives you more height under it for your wrench, and you can get more leverage. Okay, so that's on pretty tightened. Alright, so once you got your oil filter back tightened, then you can go ahead and pour in the oil. You got your bolt on, your oil filter on tight, and just go ahead and pour in the new oil and you're good to go.